Dear brothers and sisters, I hope you are fine. Alhamdulillah. Yahya ibn Mu'adh rahimahullah said, O son of Adam, your religion will not stay safe as long as your heart is still addicted to loving this world. Your problem is not that you sing something. Your real problem is what your heart is attached to. If your heart is always chasing money, always chasing status, always chasing people prize, then don't be surprised when your Iman become weak. You can pray, you can fast, you can speak about Islam, but if deep inside your heart is still love with dunya, your religion will slowly become unstable, because the heart cannot serve two masters. Either Allah is your priority or this world is. And be honest with yourself. What makes you more excited? A business opportunity or an opportunity to earn reward with Allah? What makes you more scared? Losing money or losing your connection with Allah? This is the test. Dunya is not haram, but loving is too much. That is disease. If the world is in your hand, alhamdulillah, you save, that is fine. But when it enters your heart, it is where the dangers begin. So check your heart, because your religion will only stand firm when your heart belongs to Allah, not to this temporary world. Who is truly wise in this world? The one who waits for the hereafter, the one who aims for the life after death. The person is the one who is truly wise in this world. May Allah make us among the group of the wise. Say Ameen.